Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm fine too.
Okay. Everything is going good.
Yeah, everything is going good. How is everything at your end? What about
My end hotels are about
about to
hotels
start? I'm
next.
going to get close.
So almost mostly the hotels are getting closed now.
That is why.
Even our job is also on stake. Let's see.
Any
How-
danger signals so far?
So far, dangers means salaries and all are now stopped.
Salaries are stopped
Hmm.
completely.
From this month, they told now last month up till last month 50%.
50% you are getting.
So now they have told me wait because Onam time the market was little picking up. So they were thinking ki maybe it will pick up. But now again it is
No,
drastically.
absolutely, business is zero.
Business is zero. Hardly 10 rooms. If 10 rooms comes and now the room like where the 5-star hotel was selling in 5,000 rupees rooms, now they are selling in 2,000 rupees.
Oh,
So 5 room 20,000 rupees that the AC cost will only come for the entire hotel more than that for that day. Then the labor cost, then whatever amenities like shampoo, what this, that, water they are using, that is the extra money. So cost now until or unless we are getting 30-35 rooms, we can't recover our cost. So now it is little tough time, but
so what do you have decided?
hotel can't close completely. No, I am like until and unless they are telling they will make sit, but they will not tell to go.
No, but you also have expenses, right?
Expenses definitely is there. Let's see. No.
How is it now? I cannot take the photos.
So today I take off. They are calling us, but nothing fruitful. Then I thought कि चलो कुछ तो in Kochi one good.
No plans to go back, right?
No, now no plans to go back as such. Is it clear? Over there it is looking like flat one,
It is looking very flat now. Just remove your this hand. It's almost just keep it like this. No, that bulging cannot be seen right now.
Bulging that, but when you put your hand, only you can
feel that. Otherwise, earlier how we used to see that.
No, that is little. Now it is little soft. Also, it seems like maybe.
See, it's hardly visible.
That's what I was telling. Oh, it is over here, right? I believe.
Yes, somewhere it is. See, this one. It's hardly visible now. Great.
One more was there, na? Like this.
You
are talking, so that also is.
The cyst one. Cyst one I did not have.
Like two cases.
Two cases were there, we were not getting the result. That's what I know. In that case also now improvement is there.
Oh, great.
In this case, like even nowadays, now I think day before yesterday or something, one of our member had asked, what is the status of that cyst case? Then I said that okay, this is the latest photograph. So once it is completely removed, then I will definitely make you listen to the feedback from the patient himself. So do give us a feedback once it is gone.
Definitely, why not? Because I was in Bangalore and then it was growing. I thought he go for operation through allopathy.
No, not needed right now. It's almost gone.
It is like.
I have already made your medicine here.
It's like holding a patience. That's it.
It's all about holding patience. I think by next time it will be completely gone, I believe. So let's see, let's hope. That's almost now. Earlier
once it goes out, hopefully it will not come back.
No, it will not come back.
And anything like as such like food or anything?
No. So far no restrictions you are taking, right?
No, I am not taking any restrictions as such. But Sometimes I feel like, because last I have taken a doctor's, like he told tumor, then he told don't take onions and all.
No.
Sometimes I eat like onions and all, then I feel like
No.
cured fast.
No, while combing any difficulty?
No.
No.
Initially, when even I am going for a haircut, when they don't know, so they will, when it will stuck. Now you are taking, like I have taken a like 1 week before haircut, so easily they are also not knowing. Before they will know कि something is there. So they will
No,
take-
it's hardly visible.
No,
Great.
now it is hardly visible.
And after maybe 1 month, don't discontinue now. Now you will not discontinue, I know that. So before the medicine is over, just come and we will continue. Maybe probably another 2 months we will maybe have to continue the treatment.
Okay, 2 months it will be.
2 months.
Okay, for sure. So let's see.
So right. So it's good.
And after completing any fees, any charges?
Nothing. You just give us a feedback to all the students.
Feedback is not sure. I was thinking, no, it is working like so long. Doctor is also working on it, so.
No, my happiness is when I will share this to the people, na, these photos.
Definitely, as you have told initially also, but something maybe.
No, nothing.
No, even it is nothing like.
It's a very good feeling that.
No, that feeling. For as a doctor, definitely you will be getting that feeling. For me also, like it has been cured, but free of cost, that also doesn't make sense. So if anything is there, please do tell me.
No, nothing. Because see, the thing is that the joy that we get by sharing such cases,
as
it
you
cannot
have
be.
initially also told me, ki, we do studies and then as you are writing the books and all. So I also.
My 3 more books are getting already launched. It will come in another next 3 or 4 days. So this is all the confidence that I share with the students.
So when are you going back to Andhra?
Right now, till now, no plan. When the school will start, then only.
Okay, once the school started, then
only.
now online classes are going on.
Now online classes are going on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.